comes to your mind when you think about Apple's biggest iPhone accessory failure? Most people instantly remember the FineWoven case, which was supposed to replace leather but quickly turned into a disaster because it scratched easily, attracted dirt, and did not live up to its premium price tag. Only a year after discontinuing FineWoven, Apple now seems ready to try again with a replacement called the TechWoven case, which could make its debut alongside the iPhone 17, according to well-known leaker Majin Buu. Images of alleged product packaging have appeared online, showing the words TechWoven case and even revealing a brand new first-party accessory option. This material is expected to have a rougher textile texture compared to FineWoven and may be made from recycled plastics, possibly from repurposed plastic bottles, which aligns with Apple's wider plan to become completely carbon neutral by the year 2030. If this leak is accurate, Apple could be offering the TechWoven case in at least 5 colors: black, brown, blue, green, and purple. These colors could give buyers more personality and style options, while still keeping the design professional and clean. One of the most interesting details is the packaging note that says compatible with Crossbody Strap, which strongly suggests that Apple might be preparing its own official lanyard or strap system. Based on the name, the Crossbody Strap could allow users to wear their iPhone across the torso like a small bag, but it could also work as a wrist or neck lanyard for extra convenience. Until now, Apple has never officially released such an accessory. So if this happens, it would show that the company is finally paying attention to how people actually carry and use their phones on the go. It also makes sense because other brands have already proven how successful this idea can be. For example, Peak Design has built an entire ecosystem of accessories around its everyday case, which includes a secure anchor link system to attach straps and mounts. Samsung also has its own clever options, like the standing grip case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which features a sliding part that works as both a grip and kickstand, making it practical for people who want to hold their phone securely or prop it up to watch videos. By creating its own lanyard or strap system, Apple could finally give iPhone users an official solution instead of leaving them to rely on third-party options. The big question, though, is whether the TechWoven case will avoid the same mistakes that doomed FineWoven. Will it feel premium, resist wear and tear, and actually last for more than a few months of use? Or will customers once again feel frustrated that a case costing a premium price performs worse than cheaper alternatives? Considering Apple no longer sells leather cases as part of its eco-friendly goals,